Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create Western Union account online. So first, open your Play Store or App Store and search on Western Union app. Simply download this, and after you download and install it, open this app. Wait for it to load up, and now select your country where you live in. Here you either allow it or don't allow. Now click on register on the top right. Here you need to input a name that matches your government ID. Click on continue. Now here you wanna put your email, address, or your mobile number. And you have to create your password. After that, click on register, and now you've made your Western Union account online, and that's it.